Hey friends, we're going to be using our letters to build some words today. And it's going to be a little bit trickier because all of our words are not always going to have the same ending like before. So I really want you to use your letter sounds to try to tap out the word so you can listen. Let's start with R. What sound does the R make? R. I. What sound does the I make? Eh. And P. What sound does the P make? P. Nice. Let's say those sounds together. Eh. P. Let's do them a little bit faster. Eh. Ip, rip. Nice job. But what if I was to change the beginning sound in rip? What if I take away the in rip and put a t? What word is it now? Well, let's try. Take away the in rip and put t. Now we have ip, ip. What word is that? Ip. Tip. I love it. What if we were to change the ending sound in tip? So I'm going to keep the beginning sound the same, t, but now I'm going to change the ending sound. So my word is tip. What if I take away the p in tip and put n? If I take away the p in tip and put n, now I have t, in, t, in, t, in, tin. Nice. I'm gonna get trickier. My word is tin. What if I take away the t in tin and I put now I have in. What word is that? In. Fin. Nice. You're pretty good at this. I think I'm going to have to get a little trickier. So my word is fin. What if I take away the I in fin and I put a U? What sound does the U make? Let's see what word we have now. Un. What word do you hear? Un. Fun. Oh yeah, this is the word fun. Whoa. What if I change that middle sound again and I take away the in fun and I put ah? Let's see what happens now. An. What word do you hear? An. Fan. Oh yeah, it becomes the word fan. So this is the word fan. What if I take away the f in fan and I put p? What does it become? P-an. P-an. Pan. Ooh, one more. What if I take away the n in pan and I put t? Now it's not pan, it's p-at. P-at. Pat. P-at. Pat. Nice job! So you can use your letters at home to mix them around and create new words. Nice job.